Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice by removing starch. First, let's start with washing. Place your desired amount of rice into a fine mesh sieve or a bowl. Rinse it under cold running water, gently agitating the grains with your hand. Continue this process until the water you drain off is completely clear, which usually takes about 3 to 4 rinses. This crucial step removes the loose surface starch, which is the primary cause of sticky rice. Next, we move on to soaking the rice. Once your rice is thoroughly washed, place it in a bowl and cover it with fresh, clean water. Let it soak for approximately 30 minutes. This step is often overlooked but is quite effective. Soaking helps to soften the grains and allows more starch to leach out into the water. After 30 minutes, make sure to drain all the soaking water completely before proceeding to the cooking stage. Now for the main cooking method, which is similar to how you'd cook pasta. Use a large pot and add a generous amount of water, about 6 to 8 cups of water for every 1 cup of rice. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then add your soaked and drained rice. Cook it uncovered for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the grains are tender but still have a slight bite, what we call al dente. Then, drain all the water. Finally, let's finish up. Once you've drained the rice, immediately return it to the empty pot. Cover the pot tightly with a lid and let it sit off the heat for about 5 minutes. This resting period allows the residual steam to finish cooking the rice gently, making it perfectly fluffy and separating the grains. You'll notice a significant difference in the texture and lightness of your rice, making it a healthier and more enjoyable option.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.